Hey, what's up everybody? This is John back here at the Raceshop, and we're in the dyno room and we're going to highlight this 615 SR20. This thing is heading up to Ultra Tech by Chromeworks, and John Parks and the guys, they just do an awesome job on their build, and this is one of their new builds. And so I can't wait to see what this thing is going to be nestled into. This is an upgraded version of our normal SR20, 2450 intake valve instead of the 2400, making just under 1250 horsepower. Great bracket piece or super comp piece, put you somewhere in the mid 180 range. And so the new owner of this thing is going to be just ecstatic with how this car is going to turn out, look, and perform.